Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have my Walmart haul for the week. This haul was actually really inexpensive. It was about $75 for all of this. And a lot of it comes from the fact that I got a lot of the Walmart brand items, which I love. So I'm going to start over here and work my way to the right. I did pick up a few things too. I'm sending one of my friends a little like Valentine's Day gift, I guess, like a little care package with some fun things. So I found these really cute donut towels. They had all different prints, but there was like a definite donut theme. But I just thought it was really cute. It was $1.94, I believe. So I'm going to send this to her along with this little notepad. I got one of these last week for myself in the donut print. It's just a little notebook like for your handbag or your car, and then it has like a little pen with it. So I'm going to send her that along with this M&M crispy, like mini M&M. It has like the little M&M minis and Crispies in it. And then I'm also going to send her some of these Reese's hearts. Sorry about the lighting. It is like a dark and gloomy snowy day, so this is the best I can do for lighting right now. The Reese's hearts, and then these I got for us. I love these Cadbury mini eggs and get them all the time when they're out. I also picked up another of the McCormick Baja Citrus Marinade. I heard this was getting discontinued, but luckily my Walmart has like boxes and boxes and boxes of them, so I pick up one like every now and then just to stock up in case they do get discontinued, which I hope they won't, because I love this on, I've done it on pork, chicken, shrimp, and I think beef, and it was good on all of them. I got a Near East garlic and herb rice pilaf. I got some large black olives, the Great Value brand, which was much cheaper. I got the Great Value brand tartar sauce, which we need for like if I make the baked clams or fish for my husband or something, so we have that. These are definitely new. I've never seen them before. They are the Cheez-It brand snapped like thins, I guess you could call them, like a chip maybe. They were about $2.75, I believe. And they were up in the front by the registers. They were not by the actual Cheez-Its, so they must be really new. So I'm excited to try those. My son actually likes Cheez-Its, so I'm wondering if he will like these. Since they're a little bit different texture, hopefully he will. I got some, oh, I just realized there was a coupon on here. I got some fresh gourmet tortilla strips in the Santa Fe style for salads. I'm going to have to peel this coupon off and use it next time because these are really good. Very excited for this. This is a local company, local to me. It's the Mastriani Bakery. They make all different breads and rolls. Excellent, excellent stuff, all fresh. And this is their raisin bread. I don't know why. I've never noticed it before. Maybe it's new. I don't know if maybe I've just never seen it. But it's like a really hearty, dense cinnamon raisin bread, and it smells amazing. Like I can smell it right now through the bag, the cinnamon and the raisin. So it's a huge loaf, so I'll probably freeze half, and then the other half we'll use in the morning to toast up for breakfast, or I could make a really nice French toast out of this. It was on the pricier side because it's local. It says $5.49, but that's not accurate. It was actually $4 and change. I think it was like $4.75 or something. It's definitely pricey. Again, though, it's a big loaf, so I'll go ahead and freeze half. Very excited for these, guys. It's the Simply Asia brand Japanese style ramen noodles. And lately I've been really liking like noodle stir fries. And I've just been using regular spaghetti, which is fine. It tastes great, but I think this would be even better. So I'm going to put this on a meal plan, not the week coming up, but probably next week, because I've been having a lot of these. But anyways, I'm going to try and make like a ramen noodle stir fry bowl with like beef or chicken or something with veggies. Very excited for that. So I'll let you guys know how that is. I grabbed these Fruit by the Foot for Grady. He actually had one at school and he wouldn't stop talking about them. He had never had one before. So I picked these up as a little treat. I know they're not the healthiest, snack in the world, but I got him one for a treat. And while I was looking at the Fruit by the Foot, I saw these, and these are actually from me. I am obsessed with these. My mom would never buy like any junk food. My mother never bought like any junk food when we were kids. She's much more of a healthier eater than I am. which is fine. But when I got older and moved out, I started buying these at like 18 and I became obsessed with them. And I haven't had them in a long time. So I actually saw them when I was checking out the Fruit by the Foot. So I got them for me, and Matt will probably have one too because he really likes these as well. But it's just very nostalgic for me. Just something I bought as a treat. Red peppers were on sale for $1.28 a piece, which is a great price. So I got the biggest one I could since they were per pepper price and not per pound. I got these Anzio and Sons not seeded. They have like cornmeal on them. It gives them a really nice gritty texture, but the roll is really soft. These are phenomenal. There's just something about these. If you've never tried these, I don't know if it's a national brand. Try these. They're really good for sandwiches, for burgers, turkey burgers. They're just really good. Really good for sloppy joes as well. And also, if you make like freezer breakfast sandwiches, these would be amazing as well. They're just really, really good. Also, I'm trying 2 Great Value items I have never tried before. So this first one is the Great Value Kettle Cooked Jalapeno Flavored Chip. I'm a huge Cape Cod Kettle Cooked Chip fan. I have been my whole life. But one of my subscribers, she actually has her own channel, Lemonade Crinkles. She suggested these specifically, so I'm going to take her word for it because she has really good taste in food. And I'm going to try them. They were 92 cents for this bag. A bag of Cape Cod chips, guys, is like $3 something. So I'm hoping these can replace Cape Cod jalapeno chips if they're just as good. So I'll let you know. I also got... You guys know I buy a bag of Scoops chips, like tortilla chips, like every week. These were 92 cents. They were the same size bag as the Scoops and like a third of the price. The Scoops are like $3. So they're supposed to be like the Scoops. They're like a bowl-shaped chip, which we love. So I'll let you guys know how those are. I got a gallon of water for my coffee maker. I go through like a gallon of water maybe every 2 weeks, and it's cheap at Walmart, like 75 cents for a gallon. I got a package of the romaine hearts. There's 3 large hearts in here. I got a few large bananas. I grabbed some Hillshire Farm beef kibasi because I'm going to make a either rice and kibasi dish or cabbage and kibasi dish next week. I got some little grape tomatoes. This is another new thing I'm trying out. It's by Taylor Farms. I absolutely love this brand. It is the stir fry kit in coconut curry. So it is Brussels sprouts and kale with like purple cabbage, and I think there might be like snow peas and carrots in here. But anyways, you stir fry it up and then you add the coconut curry sauce. I think I have had this before. I'm not 100%, but I think I have, and it was really good. But regardless, if I haven't had it, I know it will be good because everything I've ever tried from this brand has been amazing and fresh. Carrots, because we go through a lot of carrots. I cut up a lot of carrots and celery for dipping on the weekends, and like to pack carrots and celery for lunch, so I grabbed those. I got 2 bags of our favorite Great Value potato wedges. They're $1.58. I talked about these in my recent Best of Walmart food items. I'll link that video below in case you missed it. I absolutely love these. I bake them all the time for lunch, for a little side, for dinner, for a little side. My son loves these. We just love these. I usually get them 2 at a time, so I grabbed 2. I got these Dunkin' Donuts iced mocha coffee drink to pack in my husband's lunch next week, and whenever. He just really likes mocha coffee combination, so I thought that would be a little treat for him. I got some chocolate jello cups for my son because he likes those. I grabbed 2 of the Clear American, which is a Walmart brand. This is like a dupe or their version of vitamin water, and it's much cheaper. It's 88 cents. So I got a pineapple pomegranate, and then I got a blueberry passion fruit, both to put in Matt's lunches at some point. Juice boxes for my son. I got the Apple and Eve Very Berry and the Apple and Eve Strawberry Watermelon. I have actually tried this, and it's really good. This flavor is really good. I don't know what it is. I wonder if they make this in a bottle like this, because if they did, I would get it. This flavor's bomb. I also got the Great Value White Cranberry Strawberry Juice Cocktail, which is like a dupe or Walmart's version of the Ocean Spray one. It is amazing. We love this juice. I got another of the Great Value Danish Butter Cookie Flavored Coffee Creamer, which we love, and I'm pretty sure this is seasonal. So if this is something you're looking to try, I would get it when you can, because I'm pretty sure this is just for the winter. I think that's it, guys. And again, everything here was like $75 or $80. It was really, really inexpensive. And I know for sure a lot of that was because I bought the Walmart brand in many things. And I want to continue getting more things in the Walmart brand. And, you know, maybe I'll do an updated best of the best Walmart brand items in the future, because I'm really intrigued by how much money you can save by buying the Walmart brand for certain things. But anyways, this is the groceries for the week. We are having a huge snowstorm this weekend. We are getting like 2 feet of snow, literally, possibly even more. So I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for next week. Okay guys, meal plan for the upcoming week, which is January 20th through the 26th. I did make a big batch of homemade marinara sauce for my food prep this week, which really helped because I was able to freeze a good amount. But anyways, I'm gonna thaw out some of the homemade marinara sauce. I do have an entire video on that, so I'll link it below. And then I'm gonna do it with either meatballs or sausage. I have to check and see what is more convenient and what I need to use up. And then of course I serve it over pasta, and I'll make a side salad. One night I'm going to do that kibasi from the Walmart haul. I'm going to slice it up with some rice, maybe some dirty rice, and then I'll throw in some veggies, and then I'll make a salad. I have a couple bone-in pork chops I need to use up, so I will bake them. I'll make some kind of a veggie for the side, and then I have a box of pierogies in my downstairs freezer that I need to use up, so I'll go ahead and make those. I'm going to do Mississippi chicken one night in the crock pot. I have not made that in a long time, and it's one of my favorites. I have a recipe on this too, and I'll link it below. I have all the ingredients for it already. I'm going to make some mashed potatoes, which is perfect because I have potatoes to use up, and then of course some kind of veggie on the side, maybe even just a salad, since I'll have potatoes and I don't want it to be too heavy. For a no meat night, I'm going to use up whatever veggies I need to use up and whip together a quick and easy pasta primavera, which is literally just pasta with veggies, and you kind of toss it in olive oil and seasonings. I'll do a salad, and then I'll do some Texas toast or crusty bread that I have in the freezer. I left myself a freebie night, which is either usually breakfast, leftovers, or something that I can just freestyle. And then last Saturday, or actually last week's date night is going to be canceled, which is this coming Saturday, the day you guys are seeing this, the next day. We're getting a huge snowstorm, like 2 feet, possibly more of snow. So that is definitely going to be canceled because we are not going to be able to go anywhere. So we are going to do a date night rain check next Saturday, the 26th, because we weren't able to go. We're not going to be able to go tomorrow. But anyways, that's the meal plan for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll link any recipes mentioned down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be tomorrow.